Locking down the Freeport police station in St. James gets an ultimatum from the health department. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, terrible traffic. The scene on Mandela Highway up to midday today. Plus, what caused the chaos?
Do something or else. A warning from the children's advocate to people who know about child sexual abuse.
Speaking out, the Jamaica Council of Churches on the controversy engulfing a pastor charged with a sex crime.
Dead babies. A health minister answers questions about babies who died at Victoria Jubilee last year September.
In the business day, research. The PSOJ president makes an argument to his colleagues.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the Primetime Newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Describe your traffic experience on the Mandela Highway today.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.